Good morning, Tatsters. Welcome back to the channel. I'm George Ross. This is Retro Reselling. It's boot sale time again. Sunday morning, obviously the more traditional morning for boot sales. Heading to my local sort of main boot sale that I hit every single Sunday without fail, if I can. Wednesday I thought was pretty good for their new rules and everything, like lots of space and everything. People, for the majority, were keeping their distance and everything. This one I'm not as hopeful for really. This one is proper boot sale, like people are jumping in the back of the cars as soon as they turn up most of the time and things like that. I don't think they'll do that, but it'll still be loads of crowds and things, so it'll be interesting to see how different boot sale to boot sale works, if there is sort of a flat thing across the board, like lots of space on the aisles, one-way systems, or if is sort of a big difference. So yeah, we'll wait to see. I've got to say good morning to Jessica, who's probably the youngest Tatster who likes the channel. That's her just then, aged 3 years old. Yeah, her mum sent me that video. I thought it was really cool. Thanks for watching, Jessica. I'm glad you enjoyed the morning readies. Now you just got to annoy your mum with the theme tune. That'd be good. Just sing that all day long, whistling it. That's what I do. I annoy Amy. Right, let's get going to the boot sale. Let's see what we can find. How much on that one?
I don't know, how much will you give me?
Ooh. Has it got a charger? Do you know?
Oh, I'm not sure, mate.
Okay. £5?
That's all right. Yeah, it's all working what I was told.
Yeah.
It's just an old girl. She's gone into an home.
All right.
So I asked if everything was working. They told me. I've tested a few things.
Yeah.
I was in a bit of a rush this morning, mate.
Yeah. £5? Right. Yeah. Yeah. Cheers. There you go. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. How much on the chairs?
5 weeks now, mate.
Yeah? Okay. That's 10. Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lovely, thank you.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Go on, mate.
Sorry. How much is that one?
£20 it is, mate.
Okay.
Good camera.
Alright, well, yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, mate. You're worried about you, mate.
How much is that one? Is a
Hang on, moving.
How much for that? Tenner.
Tenner.
10.
Go on, mate, go on.
That's alright. So, we do 25 for the two?
Only for the two?
How much?
25 for the two.
Not really. If it's that one there's a lot of money, that shouldn't be on the table really.
My fault, sorry. I didn't realise.
So yeah, 10. £20 for
Okay.
the two.
Yeah.
That is a fair price really.
Yeah, I'll take both.
Yeah,
please.
good bag, mate. Yeah.
I've got a bag, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's alright.
Cheers, mate.
There you go, thank you. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
How much on this one? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Well, mate. How much you want for it? That's really worth it, isn't it?
I think so. It's Spurs, but I don't know if it's
30 quid.
I don't know if I should show you or not.
Right, no more stuff, Dad.
It might be a bit knackered though. I don't know.
try a battery in it. Probably be alright.
Yeah.
The drill is
I had to pay 20 quid for it though. Yeah, it seemed to know they're worth like 200 quid. But yeah.
Sorry?
How much is your computer?
I want 100 on nearest offer.
Okay, no, I'm miles off your price. Alright.
You know how much they sell for online? For 500 gig. You know how much they sell? That one, with that, 150 quid. Because I sold one yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah.
How much on the radio?
That one, the Roberts one, 3 quid.
3 quid. Okay. Hard.
How much are that, mate? How much?
Yeah.
No, it's good old clear heads.
Okay.
Hey?
How much?
Thank you, mate.
Okay, thank you. Cheers. How much on the jacket?
If you give me 2 seconds, mate, I'll ask
Yeah.
you. 5, mate.
5 yeah. It's fine.
Yeah, thank you
Right,
very much.
cheers, thank you.
Give me 2 minutes to fill these up.
So back at the unit now. Yeah, overall not too bad of a sale really. A little bit of a disappointment, but still managed to get a few bits, lots of electronics. So yeah, I'm gonna whiz through what I got on the table now and one on the mannequin. what I paid, what I'm hoping to list it for, and a little bit of information. Obviously we have a standout pickup, we'll come to that last. Start at the back, we've got this pair of vintage stools, like kitchen stools. Used to pick these up a lot when I first started, when I was doing nothing but vintage furniture. Haven't had these for a while. No cracks on the vinyl or anything, just a nice matching set. £10 I paid. This should be around 40 to pushing 50. It's probably more like the 40 plus postage, but obviously start high and then come down from there. Gone a bit radio crazy this week. Picked up 2 on Wednesday. We've got another 4. Well, we've got 3 radios and then like another radio boombox type thing. We'll start with the first pickup of the day. We have a Grundig Yacht Boy. Just a cool vintage looking thing, like wood effect. Or it is... No, it is actually real wood on that. Proper vintage that. Probably 70s, 80s. I can't remember what I paid now. It was £5 or £10. This should be sort of an easy £30, maybe 35. Obviously radios are quite easy to test. Just obviously make sure they turn on, make a sound and tune in a little bit. Yeah, clean it up. Nice little profit there. Picked these 2 up for £3 each from the same dealer. I think they're house clearance again. Roberts radio. This should have the Queen's crest on it. The Royal crest. There we go. Queen Lizzie approves. This is on a turntable. These vintage ones, so you can spin it around. Just saves scuffing. Again, bit of wood on the side, nice bit of leather or vinyl, faux leather. Yeah, I've sold these loads in the past. They come in different colours. You get red, blue. This one's like a nice sort of medium brown. £3 into hopefully £25–30 standard sale. When I was browsing throughout the same box, found this Grundig again. This one's a Party Boy. Nice little finish on the grill here. Needs a little wipe up. Takes batteries and I think also a power supply, so either one. I did check the battery compartment and yeah, nice and clean. Takes a big battery, which I've got a spare one to test with anyway. Yeah, £3 again into £25. Nice looking thing after it's had a wipe up. Again, another standard bill paying sale. Next up we've got a Sony. This is a Sony, what's this, CFS 201L. Nice little boombox thing. Paid £8 for this, which is paying up a little bit. If this was like a bog standard black colour, I wouldn't have bothered. Probably wouldn't have even picked it up. But the white tends to be sort of a rarer colour, more collectible. I think people like it more. So yeah, looking at solds, this should be sort of 25–30. So from £8, not amazing, but still a nice sort of standard sale. Like most of these have been. That's what you tend to get with radios, like the proper bread and butter type item. So yeah, nice and clean this one. No dents in the grills. Just got to make sure the tape player works. I'm pretty sure it does. It looks nice and clean. That's been looked after. So yeah, nice little item there. We go from a nice clean good condition to a rough one that I'm sort of regretting. Picked this up just because it looked cool and I took a chance. This was £5. Yeah, really cool shape, like boombox radio type thing. Looks like a spacecraft. Yeah, I took the chance at £5 because this sort of brand of Sony's collectible, they go for good prices. I think they've done like a Walkman in this sort of style and shape. So yeah, took a chance at £5. It's really dirty, really mucky. I did actually plug it in before I've done this video, and yeah, it's a non-worker, not even any power. Or it did flash up for a second and it said error. Yeah, I should have trusted my gut. My gut said this isn't going to be any good, but yeah, I ignored that. Tried it at £5 anyway. I might try and sell it for parts, some spares, repairs, maybe. Give it like a month or 2 and then get rid of it. So yeah, trust your gut. It tends to be right 9 times out of 10. Got a couple of Nike Air Max 95s, size 7 and size 8, £10 each. Which I was happy to pay. Decent condition, decent size. Obviously the size 8s are more obviously for men, or they can both be men and women, unisex sizes, which is good. Appeal to both markets. Again, little wipe up, making sure they're nice and clean, display them nicely. So yeah, £10 each, hopefully at least 45–50 I want to say, without looking them up properly. So these a few times last boot sale season, you can get them. So £20, hopefully £50, £100 sale there, as they're both sold. A couple of video cameras. We've got a Samsung Mini DV and also a Panasonic. I think that one was £10, I believe. No charges or anything, but yeah, video cameras tend to go well, especially Mini DVs. People obviously have their old like family videos they want to play back or transfer onto a disc. New chargers should cost sort of £5, £8, maybe up to £10. But yeah, once they're tested and working, there should be at least a £45–50 sale each. So worth the risk again. They tend to sell quick as well. Got a nice biker jacket, nice and standard again. We've got Riker, I think that's it, Riker. I'm pretty sure it's Riker. Yeah, nice men's size. Just black, needs a bit of a clean up again. Bit grubby, but yeah. How much was this one? This was £5 again. This should be a nice £35–40 sale there once it's all cleaned up. Pictured nicely. Yeah, I like picking up biker stuff if I can. This is like another standard model, but still a nice profit to be made. Now we'll come to the Holy Grail. So this little Olympus, I think I bought the Olympus with this one, the Panasonic. Saw the bag, thought I'll test it anyway, have a look. And believe it or not, we got the Holy Grail of Olympus cameras. To the Olympus Mu 2. I'm pretty sure most of you know what this is. But if you don't, this is, if it's all working, you can get up to £250 for this film camera. 35mm camera. It's a tiny little thing. Photographers love it for some reason. I think it's to do with the specs maybe. It's got, I don't know. I'm not a cameraman myself, but yeah, people go crazy. I've sold these. I've had a couple of these now. I think this is the third or fourth one I've ever had. Most I've ever got was 220. But going on recent solds, someone got 250 recently. I paid £20 for it. The guy sort of knew what it was, but only wanted £20 for it. So I was a bit suspicious, and it was sort of sold with the lens out, which I was a bit wary of. I've put a battery on it since, and as you saw, it does work. Well, the flash works, and then the lens comes out, but there doesn't seem to be any action with the shutter. I think that's the shutter in there, and the mechanism seems a bit weak. Here you go. Like really slow going back in, and then turning it back on again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sell this as for spares, repairs, or faulty. But even at £20 for a faulty Mu 2, this should be £80 to £100, maybe a little bit more. People can fix these up. It's a highly desirable camera, made in Japan. So yeah, even though it's faulty, I've paid £20. Loads and loads of profit on this. So yeah, that name again if you don't know, Olympus Mu 2. If you find them, pick them up. And that's the first week of boot sales since they've been back open. Overall, Wednesday was definitely a lot better. Obviously the chair I'm sitting on is going to be a big money maker. Just got to give that a little tidy up. Yeah, today's, like I said, not amazing. Obviously I've still got a few bits, lots of profit to be made, but yeah, lots of people gathered together. It wasn't as good as Wednesday with people keeping a distance. There was a big difference actually. With regards to reselling, yeah, overall I'd say I'm okay. Quite happy. Plenty of profit to be made, a few items to be getting on with before hopefully I go back to the Wednesday one again. Because yeah, I definitely should be going to that one again a lot more. It was the first time I went to that Wednesday one, and it was very vintagey, antique-y, my sort of thing, right up my street. So I don't know why I haven't been to that one before, but yeah, definitely going again. So hopefully them few items will keep me busy until then. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you did enjoy it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. If I missed anything, let me know what I missed. Or if there's something I picked up, put it back down again that you would have bought. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, I'm getting home now. I need some brekkie. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.